Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly strip away all hyperlinks from your data in Excel without deleting a single word of your actual text. When you copy data from a website, it often carries over hundreds of active, blue, underlined links that clutter your sheet and launch web browsers every time you accidentally click a cell. First, open your spreadsheet and highlight the specific rows, columns, or cells that contain the unwanted links. If you want to clean the entire sheet at once, press Ctrl A on your keyboard to highlight every cell simultaneously. Next, right-click anywhere inside that highlighted area to open the context menu. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of the menu and click Remove Hyperlinks. Excel will instantly strip the active URL code from the data, turning your text back into standard, plain text strings while keeping your literal words perfectly intact. And that's it. Your spreadsheet data is now completely clean and distraction-free. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.